Welcome to medieval India and political transition. So tell me the important Turk dynasty ruled in India. Yes, slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and last one Lodi dynasty. Already we learnt in the last class, that is slave dynasty. The second important dynasty, Khilji dynasty. The Khilji dynasty, one of the important dynasty in Delhi Sultans. They were ruled between 1290 to 1320. The Khilji dynasty established by Jalaluddin Khilji. Next, the important rulers of Khilji dynasty were the first one Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. The second one Alauddin Khilji. The third one Qutbuddin Mubarak. So these were the important rulers of Khilji dynasty. In this, the founder of Khilji dynasty was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. In your textbook mentioned only Jalaluddin, but the full name was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. So already I told he was a founder of Khilji dynasty. He founded this dynasty in CE 1290 when defeated the Kaikobad. Who was Kaikobad? Yes, he was the last ruler of slave dynasty. Jalaluddin was a man of mercy, means very kind, and also a very soft spoken. In this, the Sardar became very strong and planned to kill him. Alauddin Khilji killed Jalaluddin because for the ascendance of throne. In this, Alauddin Khilji became the Sultan of Delhi. The important ruler among the Khilji dynasty was Alauddin Khilji. He was one of the important ruler of Khilji dynasty. He was ruled between CE 1296 to 1316. He grew up under the protection of Jalaluddin. Jalaluddin was a founder of Khilji dynasty. So he was a good warrior, means Alauddin Khilji was a good warrior and also served as the governor and also the military general. As the military general, he invaded Malwa, Bilwa and Devagiri and looted lot of wealth. Malwa. So this is most part of Madhya Pradesh and some part of Rajasthan. Bilwa is in Rajasthan, Devagiri is in Maharashtra. Next, the Alauddin Khilji killed his guide and mentor. Who was the guide of Alauddin Khilji? Yes, Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. So, Alauddin Khilji killed his mentor Jalaluddin. So, Alauddin Khilji followed the path of murder and plunder due to God of throne. He get back the attacks of Mongolians. When the Mongolians invade India, he was get back the Mongolians. He defeated the Rajputs king Karnadeva, Hamir Deva and Bhim Singh. Karnadeva ruled in Waghela dynasty, Hamir Deva Ranathambur, Bhim Singh Chittor. So these rulers defeated by Alauddin Khilji. So in this, the result of this defeating, he won so many places: Malwa, Jalore, Bundi, Mandor and Tonk. Already I told Malwa between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Jalore, Bundi, Mandor and Tonk all are in Rajasthan. So the North India conquered by Alauddin Khilji. At the same, in South India, his general Malik Kafur invaded Yadavas of Devagiri, Warangal, Kakatiyas of Warangal, Hoysalas of Dhurasamudra, and Pandyas of Madurai. So these were destruction after the invade of Malik Kafur. But Alauddin Khilji did not join these states to his kingdom. He only plundered and looted the wealth. The next ruler, Qutbuddin Mubarak. He was the last ruler of Khilji dynasty. After the death of Alauddin Khilji, his third son Qutbuddin Mubarak was a third son of Alauddin Khilji. He was ruled in CE 1316 to 1320. Means he was ruled only 4 years. He was murdered by his soldier Khusro. But Khusro also murdered by Qazi Malik or Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq murdered the Khusro and established Tughlaq dynasty in CE 1320. So these are the important rulers. So tell me the important rulers: Jalaluddin, Alauddin Khilji, and Qutbuddin Mubarak. These were the important rulers of Khilji dynasty. The next, the reforms of Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji mainly reformed in the sphere of administrative reforms, military reforms, and market reforms. In this, the first one, administrative reforms. So Alauddin Khilji implemented various reforms in the administration. The first reformation, he abolished religious endowment, inam lands, and subsidies. That means a religious endowment. Endowment means charity. They provide religious charity to Muslims and also a gifted land to Muslims, and some subsidies also provided to there. The next one, the intelligence network. The intelligence network was established by him. Intelligence, that means spy network, means the ruler appointed some people because for collection of information. This is called a intelligence network or spy network. It prohibited alcohol. Alcohol means consumption of liquor, drugs, and also a dice game. Dice game we already play with your family. Next, it banned association formations, means unions among his sardars, means he banned associations formation among his sardars. Next, the farmers and landlords both are pay the taxes. Before this, only farmers pay the taxes, means the landlord exemption of pay the taxes. But in the reformation of Alauddin Khilji, farmers and also a landlords both are pay the taxes. He appointed revenue officials to collect the fixed taxes from the farmers. These are the administrative reformation. Next, military reformation. The next one is military reformation. Appointment of soldiers, training of soldiers, and the supply of arms and horses were the duty of defense minister. Most of all, the important duty of defense minister are these. Who is the defense minister of India? Yes, Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh also followed this duty. Appointment the soldier. So the defense minister was responsibility to appointment of soldiers, and also they were given to training of soldiers and supplies arms or weapons. They provide weapons to the soldiers. These are the duties of defense minister. Next, the salary of the soldiers was distributed on the last day of the month in the form of cash or in the form of money. The form of money, end month, the soldiers received their salaries. Next, the individual records of soldiers were created based on their physical future. This system of record called as Hulia. This is very important. Hulia. Hulia means that this is one of the individual record of soldier. In class, we are also maintained individual records of your progress. At the same, the rulers created individual record of soldiers on the basis of physical future. This is called a Hulia. Next, stomping the horses called as dhag. Dhag means stomping the horses. This is also came into existence during the period of Alauddin Khilji. Means seal the horse. Seal means stomping the horses called dhag. Next, the soldiers directly complained to sultans cause for related to salaries and also their specialties. These are the military reformation of Alauddin Khilji. The next one, the market reformation. The market reformation implemented by Alauddin Khilji got a special place in the Indian history. The people easily access the daily used things. Daily used things means pulses, cereals, cooking oil, sugar, salt, fuel at the fair prices. That means affordable prices. He established a market to sell horses and also a slave, because this is one of the separate market, because for selling of horses and also a slaves. Next, Alauddin Khilji appointed the higher officials named Sahan-e-Mandi to control the market. Alauddin Khilji appointed higher official Sahan-e-Mandi. Why? Because for the control of market. So these Sahan-e-Mandi regulate the market and also a punish to the cheaters. That means the severe punishment was given to the cheater, to traders. Traders are a consumers. Next, homework. First question, who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? The second question, write a short note on Alauddin Khilji. Third question, list out the administrative reforms of Alauddin Khilji. Fourth question, what is meant by Hulia? Fifth question, who was the last king of Khilji dynasty? Thank you.